Hi dear friends, welcome to our channel AKY Biotech. So today here again we are with a new video for you with the questions which are being asked in the NET examination, ICAR NET examination. So let's start. Before starting, I would like to say that please subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video so that you can get the latest updates whatever we are uploading. So here first of all I would like to say that previously we have discussed many of the important questions. We have 4 videos regarding this, and in each of the videos we have discussed near about the 50 questions. So this is the part 1 of the video. In various parts we have discussed. This is the part 1 of the video. It includes about 50 questions. Then part 2 another 50 questions. Part 3 with another 25 questions, and part 4 also is there with another 25 questions. So please go through all these videos thoroughly so that you can take a quick revision of the entire topics. These all videos cover the entire topics, entire questions which have been asked in the ICAR NET examination, and the link of this so today here again part 5 of the video has also been discussed. So all these the link of the video, it is provided in the description box below. You can go over there and you can go through the questions. So let's start with the question number 176. A cesium chloride gradient will separate DNA molecules by, this is on the basis of, that is the density. This is separated, a cesium chloride gradient. In this the DNA molecules, they are separated on the basis of the density. 177. Which of the following DNA structure forms left hand helix? So this is the left hand helix. This is formed by, that is Z DNA, DNA Z. This one is the correct option. Then number 178. Enzyme for conversion of ammonia to amino acid. This is, so the major enzyme that is involved, this is the glutamine synthetase. Number 179. Important function of leg hemoglobin in root nodules is, it is O regulation. This is the function of the leg hemoglobin. Question number 180. In 1923, the theory of QTL mapping, this was described by, again an important question asked many of the times. So this was described by Sachs. B part is the correct option. Number 181. mRNA usually is being extracted using, this is being extracted using poly T resin. This one is the correct one. Number 182. DNA is fit for making tools in case of nanotechnology, which is due to, the correct is, this is due to the small size of the DNA, flexibility in DNA conformation, and branching nature of DNA. All of these options are correct. So the correct one is D, that is the all of the above. Number 183. RFLP, restriction fragment length polymorphism markers mapped in one species or genus can often be used to construct parallel genetic maps in related species or genera, which is called as, so this this technique is called as, if RFLP, it is used for mapping in one species or genus, can often be used to construct parallel genetic maps in related species. So this one with the help of RFLP being used in one species, it is used to construct the genetic maps in the related species. So this is known as the parallel mapping. B is the correct option. Number 184. Recombinant DNA technology. This was developed in the year. This was recombinant DNA technology or the rDNA technology. This was in the year 1972. (185) Term genomics was coined by, this was coined by T. Roderick. This is the correct one. 186. During transcription, RNA polymerase binds to the promoter during this transcription process. 187. During translation, proofreading activity is performed by, then the translation proofreading activity, this is performed by amino acyl transferase RNA synthetase. This one is the correct one. Epinephrine plays its role in glycogenolysis by, so this is by activating phosphorylase kinase. This one is the correct one. 189. Enhancers of eukaryotic gene may have a special form of DNA called, this is called as zDNA. Number 190. Molecular marker pattern of an individual obtained by using highly polymorphic markers used for unequivocal identification of strains, individuals, criminals, etc. is called DNA fingerprint. This one is the correct option. Number 191. It enables identification of the site on a DNA molecule to which a protein such as RNA polymerase binds is called. So, in case of a DNA molecule to which the protein bind, so this enables the identification of the site in the DNA, and this one is called as the, this technique is called as the DNA footprinting. Number 192. Photorespiration is high in, this one, that is the photorespiration, this is high in case of rice. This is the correct one. Number 193. Tick out which is not correctly matched. So the correct one is chloroplast, it is related with chlorophyll, correct option. Chromoplast, red pigments, that is the correct one, and leucoplast, that is the storage protein, again the correct one. So you have to learn all this. And nucleolus, this is related to fat, this one is the incorrect option. So you have to pick out the false option, that is the D part. Number 194. Determination of the base sequence of a DNA fragment is called, this is called as DNA sequencing. So this technique is called as DNA sequencing, in which we determine the base sequence of the DNA fragment. Number 195. A gene that gives rise to a product involved in the regulation of the expression of another gene. So one gene, it gives rise to a product that is involved in the regulation of another gene. For example, a gene coding for a repressor protein is called as, so this is known as the regulatory gene. This one is the correct one. Number 196. During transcription, RNA polymerase, it binds to the promoter, that is the correct option. Number 197. During translation, proofreading activity is performed by, so in case of protein synthesis, that is the translation process, the proofreading activity is it is performed by this one, that is amino acyl transfer RNA synthetase. Number 198. Primer designing for sequence tagged sites is based on, so this is based on primer design sites, it is based on random genomic DNA. ends of large genomic DNA fragment and sequences of cDNA. So the correct one is D part, that is the all of the above. Number 199. Improved PB1, that is the improved Pusa Basmati 1, the first variety in India developed through MAS, that is marker assisted selection, has been improved by transferring. This is an important question. Repeatedly it has been asked in the examination. So this is has been improved by transferring, that is bacterial blight disease resistance. PB1, this is a rice variety. Question number 200. Which marker systems has been used for developing Pusa Basmati 1460? So this is the STMS, that is B part is the correct one. Then number 201. What would stop DNA replication in bacteria? So the correct option is addition of a DNA polymerase inhibitor. This is the correct one. Then or either addition of dideoxyribonucleotides. Both of these options are correct. So C part is the correct, that is both A and B. 202. Eukaryotic chromosomes are transcriptionally most active during, they are the transcriptionally most active during the interphase. 203. Full expression of the lac operon it requires this one, that is the inducer, that is the allolactose and CAMP. Question number 204. Which statement is not true for DNA transcription? So the correct one is this, that is template strand is used as coding strand. Question number 205. The proportion of coding to non-coding sequence in a genome is known as, this is known as the signal to noise ratio. 206. The sequence that helps to identify the starting point of a gene in a eukaryotic is known as, this is known as the, in eukaryotes that helps to identify the starting point of a DNA, this is known as the Kozak sequence. Question number 207. A gene involved in tumor development in case of Agrobacterium genes specifying auxin and cytokinin biosynthesis is called. So these genes in the synthesis of auxin and cytokinin which are involved in tumor development in case of Agrobacterium, these are called as the oncogenes. This is one is the correct one. 208. Those genes which are expressed either in specialized cells or in response to an specific stimuli is called, so these are known as the luxury genes. This one is the correct one. 209. One of the major landmarks for identification of a human gene from the sequence data is called, so this is called as the CPG islands. Question number 210. Size of X174 genome is this is near about 5386 nucleotides. 211. Recombinant DNA technology. This was developed in the year, the correct is 1972. 212. Term genomics. This was coined by, this term it was coined by T. Roderick. 213. Technique of two-dimensional gel electrophoresis, that is the 2D gel electrophoresis for protein separation. This was developed by This was developed by P.H.O. Ferrell. This one is the correct one. 214. In 2DE separation, that is a two-dimensional separation, is done on the basis of, this is done on the basis of both charge as well as mass. C part is the correct one. Then coming up with the next question, that is 15 number. Which varieties is the first variety in India developed by Mars? So this is the also an important question. 215, that is improved PB1, improved Pusa Basmati 1. Earlier a question was there previously, that is this is for the bacterial blight resistance gene. 216. Pusa 1406 has which of the following genes transferred through Mars? So the correct option is 216. The correct option is XA21 and the XA13. These are the bacterial blight resistant genes, both A and B. This is the correct one. Number 217. For first dimensional separation in 2DE, two-dimensional electrophoresis, the gels used include polyacrylamide with IPG. Genome of the smallest bacterium, Mycoplasma genitalium, codes for the correct option is 479 protein. 219. The externally thin strands of cytoplasm is termed as, this is termed as the plasmodesmata. 220. In plants, stenting material is present in, this is present in the nucleus, chloroplast and mitochondria. This one is the correct one. 221. The main function of ER, that is the endoplasmic reticulum, this is protein synthesis. 222. An enzyme associated with decarboxylation, this is Malic enzymes. Question number 223. Golgi bodies, this were discovered in 1898 by, so scientist name, it is itself, it is clear from this, that is A part is the correct one, that is Camillo Golgi. 224. Which cell organelle is the site of chemical activity in cells, perhaps over half of the cell's metabolism? So the correct is the mitochondria. This one is the correct one. Number 225. Spherosomes are related with, they are related with fat. This D part is the correct one. Number 226. During RNA processing, splicing is mediated by, this is mediated by snRNAs. This one is the correct one, that is a small nuclear RNA. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe the channel. Repeatedly I am saying this because you will get all the latest updates, all the questions which we are uploading, and please like and share the video.